Do you know the secret to transforming your life? It is something you can start using right now, today. It is not magic. It is the law of attraction, a universal truth that has been used by some of the most successful people in the world. Let me ask you, what if everything you desire is already on its way to you? The law of attraction says that your thoughts create your reality. Think about that for a second. What if you could align your thoughts, your energy with your dreams and goals and watch them manifest? Let us dive deep into how this works and how you can harness its power. It starts with understanding one simple thing: your thoughts. Every success, every failure begins with a thought. When you focus on lack, that is what you get more of. When you focus on abundance, you attract it into your life. This is why the world's most successful people like Oprah Winfrey talk about the power of mindset. Oprah went from a challenging childhood to becoming a global icon. She did not wait for success to happen. She believed it was already on its way. She acted as though she was destined for greatness, and her mindset led her to the life she has today. Oprah said, "What I know for sure is that if you want to move forward, you have to start believing in your own worth and power." She put this belief into action and created opportunity at every turn. Her journey shows the undeniable power of mindset. It is a mindset we all can cultivate. Your thoughts are not just thoughts, they are energy. Buddha said, "What we are today is the result of all the thoughts we have had until now." And Swami Vivekananda echoed this, saying, "We are what our thoughts have made us." This is not just philosophy, it is science. Your thoughts vibrate at a certain frequency and the universe responds to that frequency. This is why the law of attraction works. Where your attention goes, your energy flows. Focus on fear or failure and you will attract more of that. Focus on love, success and opportunity and you will pull those things toward you. One of the most powerful tools in using the law of attraction is visualization. This is not just about daydreaming. It is about vividly imagining your goals and seeing them as already achieved. The great scientist Albert Einstein said, "Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attractions." Your imagination is a preview of what's to come in your life. Try this for a moment. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life. See yourself living your goals. Feel the emotions as if they are happening right now. Your mind does not know the difference between what is real and what is imagined. By visualizing, you activate the same neural pathways in your brain as if the events are actually happening. This strengthens your belief and motivates you to take action. Let us look at another example. Think of someone who has achieved the seemingly impossible. Steve Jobs. Jobs did not just rely on talent. He believed in the power of creativity, innovation, and that his ideas could change the world. He imagined a future where Apple would become a global leader, and that's exactly what he created. Jobs had a vision, but it was not just about having an idea. He believed in the impossibility of failure. This is key. The mindset is what leads to results. When you believe in your success before it happens, your actions naturally align with that belief. It's about trusting the process and taking steps every day, even if they seem small. Have you ever noticed how problems seem to multiply when you focus on them? It is like when you worry about something, it seems to happen more often. The law of attraction says where your energy goes, That's where your life flows. When you focus on lack, that's what you attract. When you focus on solution, when you focus on what you want rather than what you don't want, that is when things start changing. Imagine you have been struggling with your finances. If you focus only on debt, you will continue to attract more of it. But when you focus on financial freedom, abundance, and the attractions that will take you there, your reality will start shifting toward prosperity. Energy follows focus. So what are you focusing on today? I want to challenge you to make a shift today. Start by writing down 3 things you are grateful for every morning. This simple practice shifts your focus from lack to abundance. Gratitude is the highest vibration. When you start your day with gratitude, you invite positive energy into your life. And it is contagious. When you radiate positively, it influences everyone around you. Next, spend 5 minutes every day visualizing your goals as if they are already happening. Feel the emotions, see the details, use your imagination to create a picture of your life and the future you desire. Now you might be wondering, is this just wishful thinking? Actually, no. There is real science behind the law of attraction. Studies in neuroscience show that when you visualize your goals, your brain creates new neural pathways that strengthens your belief in the outcome. This is not just about feeling good, it is about training your brain to take intentional actions toward your goals. The brain does not differentiate between a real event and something vividly imagined. By visualizing your success, you are literally training your brain to believe that your dreams are achievable. This belief in turn changes the way you act, how you interact with others, and how you seize opportunities. When you align your thoughts with your desires, you enter into alignment with the universe. This does not mean sitting back and waiting for the things to happen. It means taking inspired action. The universe will meet you halfway, but you need to show up, take action, and believe in your success. For example, if your goal is to become healthier, don't just think about it, act like it is already happening. Eat healthy, move your body, and make decisions that align with your new, healthier lifestyle. As you do this, you begin attracting more opportunities to stay healthy, better food choices, workout plans, and even supportive people. And it is the law of attraction in action. Let us take a look at a few more real-world examples. Jim Carrey, the actor, wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered and dated it for Thanksgiving 1995. In 1994, he was struggling living in a car and barely getting by. But by the time 1995 rolled around, he received a check for $10 million for the movie Dumb and Dumber. Now that you understand the power of the law of attraction, it is time to put it into practice. Start small. Take one area of your life, maybe your finances, health, or relationships, and begin aligning your thoughts with what you want to attract. Your mind is the key, and your actions will create the pathway to your goals. Remember, every thought you have is powerful. You are the creator of your own reality. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs shape your life. Start focusing on the life you want, and it will begin to unfold. If you want to see a shift in your life, take action today. Try the challenge I gave you earlier. Focus on gratitude, visualization, and belief. Start attracting the life you want by aligning your thoughts with your desires. If this video has inspired you, share it with someone who needs a little positivity today. Let us create the life of our dreams together. The universe is ready. Are you? Thank you so much for watching till the end.